ओके गाइज, मेरे को ओनर ने बोला है कि मैंने ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू शेयर नहीं किया है. सो हियर आई एम शेयरिंग द ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू ऑफ द रूम दैट आई स्टेड इन पर्सनली. ओके, so this is the approach from the pool side directly to the rooms. Here is the view, wonderful view they have, at a very nice location they have a property. And see, this is the maintenance. Okay, fine, you can ignore the algae and all, but look at the things that are kept here outside the rooms. These are the two rooms. One is this room. My friends have just checked out and logged and gone up, so I'm not sharing anything about their room, but even they had a water leakage problem on the walls. And here I go towards my room from the view. The view is beautiful, and here I come towards my room. Okay, we are also about to check out, or going to be checked out by the time you see the video. See, the water rolling from the walls. You can see the lines. The entire wall is like that. It's all wet. Okay. This is the condition of the door from inside. Because when you stay in the room, you really don't get a good feeling, you know. See, now this is the view from my door, and these are the clothes of the caretakers. And when we are paying so much, see, this is what we get to see. We had to literally burn these to ensure there are no mosquitoes in the room, because kuch bhi nahi tha yahan pe. It was like full of cobwebs and full of insects every corner. It was not even cleaned properly. After we held his money back and told him to get the things done, that's when he cleaned. He had the room cleaned and all. Okay, this is the kind of linen that he had shared, given us. This towel was hanged in the bathroom for us to use it, and it was in a super bad condition, stinky. This is the condition of the wall. I'm not sure how clear it is in the this video, but it is really dirty. If you see it in your eyes, I would recommend definitely don't take this room, at least which I stayed in. It is stinking terribly. And here are the water droplets that you see. They're falling from the ceiling of the door entrance to the bathroom. Okay, so these are the water droplets. And see, this is water all over here. The mat, the condition of the wall. Okay, now the sound that you're hearing is of the tin above the bathroom. Since 5 o'clock in the morning we are awake because there was a loud sound because of the rain. So if I go in the bathroom, see the condition. See, who would like to stay in this kind of bathroom? Huh? Not stay as a use. You're scared to use it. It is not even properly sealed. This is how it is being done. See for yourself. Do not take this room, guys. This is the condition of the bathroom here. See, this is the cloth. This is the maintenance that they have given us. I will also share a picture of the lizard. This is what the things that they have kept in the bathroom. Okay, and the water that I was telling you, which was dripping. See, it's dripping from here. I don't know whether you can see. It is dripping from here. The entire door line it is dripping from. And it is accumulating. See, you can see. And it is accumulating in the room. And the room is really stinky, to be very honest. When you come in the room, you can only smell urine. Only of urination. This is my honest review. If you are coming for this property, view and everything is really nice. The first ground level rooms, 2 of them, are good. But definitely don't come for this corner room on the lower ground level. I would definitely not suggest you. I don't know how come the previous ones have not shared anything about this. And see, this is what you get to see when you come out of the room. It's really sad. The maintenance of the property is really bad. So it's up to you to take I've given my honest review to the owner and to people who might come here, because we've spent a lot of money. And because of the smell, see what they've given us to keep using this. Because of the smell. So when you enter in the room, oh my god, it is really stinking bad. Yeah, view. So thank you so much guys for seeing this video. Bye.